Sunday. Today is Sunday, May the 29th. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I am your girl, Christina Lynn, and today we are making some chicken. So we have some chicken wings here. I have everything ready and prepared to clean the chicken. I have vinegar, lemons. You can actually use lemon juice if you want as an option. And I also have salt. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here are the seasonings for our fried chicken. We're gonna start off with mustard. We have sriracha. I'm using canola oil to fry the chicken today. I prefer canola oil. And I think it's a healthier option. So we're gonna go with that today. I have my liquid aminos, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, as well as garlic powder. So we're gonna go ahead and get this seasoned up and start frying our chicken. So as you can see, our chicken is cleaned and dried. So we're just gonna go ahead and get seasoned.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
You don't know how to run upstairs. You neither.
I see one in the garage.
No, I had it in my room. So where you messing in your garage?
I think there's a box up there or something. Plus, I think I had one in my room or something. Okay guys, my favorite part about fried chicken is the fact that it will talk to you, literally. Once you hear it start to slow down, the grease isn't as loud as it was before, that's how you know it's almost done. So here, we're almost to the end of the process, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it out. Now look at that. Alexa, what is tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Monday, May 30th, 2022.
Sounds good. Alexa, good night.
Nighty night. Get some good rest.